Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a super exciting video. We have a new product from Colourpop. I feel like we haven't gotten like an actual new product from Colourpop in a while. Today I'm going to be talking about the new feather styling, what is this called? Feather Effect Styling Wax. I don't think there's going to be any other colors. I think it's just going to be these two. We have the clear wax and then we have the tinted wax. So it's a little bit darker. I think when I try them out today, I think I might do one with clear and one with the tinted one and see which one I like better and then take off whichever one I don't like. I do have to go somewhere in a little while, so I'm like cutting it super short filming this video today, but I wanted to get this video done because I don't know when these are going to be launching. It just said coming soon on Trendmood. I don't have prices of anything yet, but I'm sure it'll be affordable. They also have this new Feather Effect brow brush. I have a nice little spoolie to obviously put the product in. It's a nice and firm spoolie. It's not like flimsy or anything. Seems like it's going to be a nice spoolie. And they also sent over some precision brow pencils. Oh wait. They sent over a precision brow pencil and a brow boss pencil. I know that they haven't like restocked brows in a long time. So they sent over the Boss Brown pencil in light brown and then the precision one in bangin' brunette. I'm really sad because I think I really like the precision pencil, but I don't think bangin' brunette's gonna match me. So I guess we can just see if light brown works. But I think they also changed the packaging on them as well. It's like this nice pretty nude color. So I'm going to use the pencil and the clear one on this side, and I think I'm going to see what the tinted one looks like on its own. Since it is a more tinted look, I do have to like get fully ready today. I have to like put a full face of makeup on, so usually I like to use a more tinted like brow gel or something on like more natural days, not for like a full face of makeup, but we'll see how it looks. It does say that for the Feather Effect Brow Styling Wax, it says tame and shape your brows with our new innovative brow shaping wax formulated to provide strong yet flexible hold for all day wear with growth peptides to nourish and condition brows. So that's really nice. And then for the brow brush, which is the spoolie, it says it's perfectly angled to activate and apply the brow styling wax. This brow brush has a spoolie on one end to comb and tame through the brows, while the tapered handle sets the brows for a feathered effect. So I'm assuming that's how a lot of like those brow waxes work. You just kind of like brush the product in, and then like once it kind of sets, you just like push it up for that like feathered, more laminated brow look, you know. So we are going to start off with the clear one on this side. I'm gonna apply the brow product first. Let me see. I think the bangin' brunette one's gonna be too dark. I forgot about this. I like this pencil, but like once you roll it up, you can't like roll it back down. Oh yeah, bangin' brunette's way too dark. So I'm gonna have to use the Brow Boss pencil, which is like not as super defined and small as the precision one. I love this pencil though. They just sent the wrong shade. So I'm just gonna brush through to be like ready in like an hour. So hopefully this gives me enough time. So I'm just going to fill in these little sparser areas, like also in the front. This shade seems to be okay. This is the light brown one. Oh, I forgot how much I like this pencil. I like the precision one a little bit more because it's a lot more like defined, but this one actually looks a lot like really natural in the brows, so I think that's good. That filled in my brow really nicely. I don't know if they reformulated the brow pencils because they've been out of stock for a long time, so I don't know if they reformulated them. They kind of seem the same, but I don't know. So for the wax, I go into the clear one. It says to activate the formula, you need a drop of setting mist or water. So I'm just going to spray it with some setting mist. This is the 4th Ray Do It spray. So I'm just going to spray a little on the wax. I've never used any like brow waxes or anything, but they're super popular right now. Add a drop of setting mist or water, and then it says to use the brow brush to activate the styling wax in circular motions to create a gel-like texture, and then brush it through the brows in an upward and outward motion. I'm gonna take the clear one and I'm just gonna spray the setting spray just a little bit on it. That's gonna get so messy with the mirror there. Circular motions to kind of activate it, I guess, and kind of create like a gel-like texture. I feel like I might need a little bit more spray, and I've never use like soap brows or brow wax or anything, so I don't even know if I'm doing this right. I'm gonna brush this through the brow, I guess. It says to brush it in an upward motion. Okay. That definitely gave me like really fluffy brows already. But that set, it doesn't feel too like heavy or anything. Like it doesn't feel like thick. It's a little different than like what I'm used to, but hopefully I really like fluffy brows and them to like stick up like this, so maybe I'll definitely start using brow waxes. So far I like how that looks. It looks kind of crazy because I don't have like any other makeup on or anything, but okay, let's try the tinted one. I will say it doesn't like make a mess on the compact or anything, so that's nice. Let's try the tinted side. Again, I'm not going to go in with any pencil on this one, so I just sprayed a little bit of the setting spray, and so I'm taking the tinted side now. It definitely, okay, yeah, it definitely is tinted. It's a little too dark for me, I think, but I might be able to make this work like on more natural days when I don't have anything else on. Just kind of like tinted moisturizer or something. More of like a sparser brow on this side though. So I would probably need to go in with like a pencil. But I wanted to show you guys what it looked like on its own too. I actually don't mind the tinted side. It just, you can definitely see it's like a little bit darker. Well, I'm gonna let this side set a little bit, but I think I can go in with this one now. Even though they're pretty like pushed upwards though, now you just kind of go in with the tapered side to kind of just flatten them and give you that like laminated brow effect. And I really like how that looks. Like, again, it looks crazy because I don't have any other makeup on, but I feel like once I have the rest of my makeup on, you guys will see it doesn't look as crazy. So let's push this side up. We have to kind of go through this one a little bit. There's the difference. So this is the side with the pencil and the clear one. This is just the tinted one on its own. I like both of them. I really like the result of both. Take this one off and just kind of do the clear one of the pencil again on this side. I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my makeup, but this is what each side looks like. So I'm super happy with it. I think it looks really good, and my brows don't feel like they're gonna move, which is super important to me because that is something I look for in brow gels as it is, which is why I use my Benefit one all the time, because that one feels like glue. It feels like my brows will never move, and they don't through the entire day. So my brows feel pretty set. It doesn't feel like hard or crunchy, so that's actually really nice. It feels nice and flexible. It doesn't feel like it's like stuck to my face. I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my makeup really quick, and then we'll see how it looks at the end. So my makeup is all done now. In case you guys are wondering, I am wearing the new Huda Toffee Brown palette on my eyes today. I think I'm gonna do a full video with all of the palettes, but I just wanted to use this one today. And it looks so good. And then I'm also wearing the new Huda Lip Contours 2.0 in Warm Brown, the lip liner, and then Board Meeting from Huda all over my lips. I wear this one all the time, but just in case you guys are wondering what's on my face. So yeah, so this is how the brows are looking. They've been on for about like maybe 30 minutes now, and they feel set. They don't feel like they're going to be moving at all. It honestly feels very like stuck, not like super glue. It doesn't feel like it's like stuck to your face where like you can't move your brows. You can still move your brows. They're still like, they're not like glued down, but I don't feel like my brow hairs will fall through the day. If I notice any like brow hairs falling down, I'll try to get a little clip of it through the day or something, but honestly I don't really feel like I need to do a check-in. Obviously, while I'm editing this, if I did end up needing to show you guys a little clip of how they looked through the day or something, I'll put that right here. But honestly, like, I can usually tell when a brow product will like not stay up. And like I said, it feels still very set. They don't feel like they're gonna move at all. They look really good. I am super happy with this. I was kind of worried. I was like, oh, I feel like it might be like nice and like waxy, but I don't think it'll like actually hold my brows. And I do have pretty stubborn brows, so I'm pretty impressed with how this looks. I like the clear one a lot. I think with a brow pencil and then the clear brow wax through it afterwards looks really nice, and they look really fluffy. They look exactly how I like my brows to look. I am super happy with how my brows look right now. I really like the tinted one too. I definitely think I'll use this one through when I'm doing just like really simple makeup. I like to do like a tinted brow gel or something while I just have like tinted moisturizer on and like a tinted lip balm, just tinted things all over. But that's usually when I do use a tinted brow gel, just so I don't have to use anything else through my brows. And I don't think it's too dark. I feel like maybe if you had like really light eyebrows, I don't think this will work on you. I think you're better off just getting like the clear one. But if you do have more like my color brows or even a little bit darker, I feel like this will work really nicely on you. I think these are really good. I have a feeling these are going to sell out. A lot of brow waxes nowadays, even though like you can do soap brows and that's a pretty affordable way, like I've seen other brow waxes from other like brands that are like at Sephora and stuff, and they're really pricey for like a brow wax. So like I said, I don't know the prices yet, but I'm sure these will be pretty affordable. I know that that will be super exciting for a lot of people, especially because brow waxes are super big right now. Fluffy brow is really in right now as well. I really recommend this. If you like fluffy brows or just like that really like nice soap brow or like waxed brow look, I definitely recommend picking this up. I think it looks so good. I'm so happy with how my brows look today. I think they look so good. So excited to continue using this and recommending it to you guys. I'm so happy Colourpop is doing brow stuff again. I hope they bring out some more things. Please bring out a brow pin. If they bring out a brow pin, it'll be game over. I would be so excited. Like a full range of brow products, because a lot of times a lot of drugstore ones only have a few colors, and I think if they did like a full like line of brow pins, I would be so excited. Anyways, I think I forgot to mention it earlier in the video. I'll probably put it like on the screen or something, but you guys can use my code. It's just KATRINA. It'll save you 10% off. It should work on this collection since it's not a collab or anything. So you guys can just use my code, save you 10% off. I'll leave that down in the description box for you if you guys want to use my code. If you do, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much to everyone who uses my code all the time for all of their Colourpop orders. It really means so much to me. Yeah, anyways, leave me a comment down below. Are you guys gonna pick this up? Are you excited to see some new products from Colourpop besides like eyeshadow palettes and collections, like collabs and stuff? Anyways, leave me a comment down below. I want to hear your guys' thoughts. Let me know if you guys are gonna pick this up, and which one did you like better? Do you like the clear one, or did you like how the tinted one looked more? I want to hear your guys' thoughts on everything. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video.